CFO is driving the future. But how many of us are actually driving the future with insights? Or are we still relying on data?
The Office of Finance needs to become more relevant to the organization and provide insights and more decision-making capabilities. When I was in Macquarie, before we started redoing the budget forecast model, we did a calculation and calculated that it took 20 man-years to do one year's budget. The worst part was we all agreed that as soon as the budget is done and delivered, it is out of date. So we spend a significant amount of time trying to come up with something which is not relevant to the organization.
Technology can really be an enabler across the top 5. It's not so much of taking the data, right, and let's turn it into information so we can make decisions. We have to take data all the way to impact. We then need to take that knowledge to another level and to have the right insight with that knowledge, so that creates what I call wisdom. The combination of the knowledge that you bring within your business to the technology that, and what I'm talking about is machine learning and advanced analytics, predictive analytics, it can actually then help to create a material impact to your business.
I would ask and think about, are you in that space where you're still driving data and you're still in that 90% data entry level, or are you in that nirvana of having 90% insights?
The data wasn't an issue. It was able to harness that data and report it in a way that actually was meaningful, so insights, as you've said. Whereas a lot of the times I found that the information was there, I needed a data scientist to actually be able to pull something together.
Having to manage a whole host of spreadsheets manually, if you were doing it outside the system, would be chaos. And so we actually connect up all the analytics of store sales, our wholesale business activity, our order processing. So if you have 5 different people trying to manage all that in different spreadsheets, you're going to end up with inconsistent and poor information. For me, it's always about being agile and having sort of access to the information so you can make decisions that need to change constantly.